Hey guys, this is Ben from Appliance Factory. Today we're talking about Miele Dishwashers. So I'm going to take you through the full line of what we offer here in our showroom and show you kind of the differences between the different models. So we'll start with our entry-level model, which is this one right here. So this is going to be the G5006 SCU. It's a built-in dishwasher. So right off the bat here, Miele has really good smudge-proof coatings on their dishwashers. And so they stay clean a lot better than most of your anti-smudge coatings. This one does have your normal cycles that you're going to want to see from your dishwasher, but what's really cool is this one does have a sanitize function right now, which is going to help with extra cleaning because it's an extra hot rinse, but it does also help with sanitizing, decreasing microbial growth, all that kind of nastiness. So on the inside of these guys, they're really cool. They do stamp the tubs out of one piece, so they're very resistant to leaking. What's really nice with Miele too is anything that's adjustable inside these machines is bright yellow, so it's easy to tell that these tines fold down. On the top rack here, you do have an adjustable top rack, so you can raise and lower this with a nice little tray there for your stemware. And then up top, you're also going to see this third rack here for your cutlery, which is going to help save some space on the bottom for extra plates, pots, pans, things of that nature. And if you look, this one does actually have a top-mounted sprayer, so it sprays down onto your cutlery so it gets nice and clean. Now, another additional feature that's really cool with Miele is they do have a waterproof leak stopping system, and it does have auto sense, which is going to, after the initial rinse, it actually has a sensor that sees how much particulate's in the water, and if it's clean, it reuses it to save you up to 4 liters per wash cycle. So moving on to the next entry in their series, we do have this guy here, the 5266 SCViSF. So this one is actually very similar to the previous model, but it's an integrated dishwasher, so it does sit more flush to your cabinetry once it's installed. If you take a look at the top here, it does still have your sanitize and your rinse cycles. But then when you open it up, it has some additional customization options, mainly in the third rack here. So this third rack is adjustable, does give you the option to raise and lower it depending on what you're trying to put in there. And as with the last one, it does still have the sprayer on the top of the tub, goes down on anything that you put into this top rack here. So very cool option. And another really cool thing about this one that is a step up from the previous is that this does have auto sense opening. So at the end of the cycle, it's going to open a few inches automatically to increase the drying efficiency. And then what you'll notice too is with all of these, they do also have soft comfort close. So you don't have to slam these dishwashers to close them. They close really nice and easily. So stepping up to the next entry in their line, this is going to be the G7106 SCU. This one is back to being a built-in dishwasher. Now at this stage you start to see crystal wash features, which are really good for your glassware so that it doesn't cloud your crystal. Miele actually has some of the best crystal wash cycles in the business, and you can change the zone intensity and get express wash cycles on this one. So it does give you some extra flexibility in your cycles. Now if we take a look inside of it, you're going to notice that you do have some additional adjustability options here on the bottom rack. And on the top rack, you're going to start to see even more customization in these racks where you can adjust these to fit your needs. And then it does have this 3D multi-flex tray to give you that adjustability of what you put in the top rack as well. Most people are though just going to put their silverware up here because with that top sprayer it does a really nice job and you don't have to spend the space on the bottom rack that could otherwise be used for pots, pans, more heavily soiled items. So then we're moving up to the top of the line, which is going to be the G7366 SCViSF with AutoDos. So this guy is really cool. Does have the crystal cycle, the sanitizing features, and the express wash and the zone features that you would have seen in the lower model. But where this one is really a step up is it does have the power disc. So this is something that you get from Miele and goes in right here, and this way you don't have to load soap every time that you wash the dishes. So you know, if you have kids and they can just load it for you, you can actually select the cycle from your phone and set it on a delay so that it runs whenever you want. But if you don't want to use the power disc, it does also have these normal wash containers for regular detergent that you buy at any grocery store. So it does give you the flexibility and the option there. On this rack, you do see the same customizations for your stemware and to lay down the tines flat. Adjustable top rack as well. Again, can change the height on this one, and it does have the stemware racks here for you. Because with Miele's amazing crystal wash cycles, you can put as much stemware in here as you want, and it's not going to fog it up on you. And then same here with the 3D rack, which I don't know that I actually showed you how these things work, but they do move side to side here. So if you want to put a tall item in this rack, it can stick up through the tray and give you some extra space, so you have a little bit of customization options for loading these machines. So hopefully that helps. That's an overview of at least the models that we floor here at Appliance Factory. If you do have any additional questions, comments, you think I'm saying Miele wrong, let us know in the comments, and we're happy to do more videos, answer your questions for you. But until then, please like, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, hit me up with your burning appliance questions, and we're happy to answer them in future videos. Thanks, I'm Ben, and I'll see you next time.